This is a special report on cyber warfare. The intelligence community is opening up about the dangerous situations we are facing as a country each day. In the Netflix series named Spycraft, a documentary series you want to take notes on. It is in season 1, the code breakers that our country helps us to understand. This particular series talks about the code breakers during World War II. It is towards the end of the video where we realize that within 1 week, any country in the world could be in a catastrophic situation, even the United States, Canada, any country in the world. This information is the reason that people who are in the know have already built bunkers and stored food for 1 year. Now, I do not believe that we need to worry. However, you do need to be aware, especially if you have children. You should always keep emergency food stored away in your home. You see, the pandemic is not the only danger we are facing. Now, I want to be positive. I will be positive. I believe everything will be okay. I believe we will be wearing masks for longer than we would like. New strands of the virus will test our inner strength. I believe many jobs will move online. They already are. And I believe life will continue as it is. I believe the stock market will be okay, and we will figure out a way to handle the real estate industry. However, if we should encounter what is called a cyber war, the viewers of this channel, I want you to understand the possibility and how to protect yourself. Remember, a cyber war would result in no electricity, no running water. ATM machines would stop working. The banks would close. The gas pumps would not work. Looting would set in. Again, stay positive and stay safe. When you watch this series or this one segment of the series, you will have a better understanding of how close we all are to a cyber war situation. I don't want anyone to be overly concerned. I want you to be aware.